Yo, my people, what's good? So I invented this thing the other day. We got the cup. Everybody got to love their mum, Kira, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what it is. So we start off. This is my coffee, random coffee blend that I made. So yeah, we're out here. Good morning. Happy Easter. This is my Easter special. So yeah, let's check it out. Right, what's first then? What was you got one of these, and this is the average size mug. Do you know what I mean? Bosh it in. Bosh. See that? Yes, I need a bath. I've just woke up. I worked last night. Bosh, don't judge, guys. Right, so you have one latte. And then add one Quaker Oats into a porridge sachet. Get that into them. Right, because the size mug, this is just the average one. I sampled it, it was a massive one, but it's in the wash. So this is the last time I did it, so I'm going to portion it this time. But yeah, as you can see, it's a major difference. Major. Alright. Basically, Americano out, fam. I see you a minute ago. You hiding from me? Huh? Hey! Right. So I had one little scoop of this. Where's the spoon? We need a spoon. Oh, wow. Do you know what? I don't see a spoon, but I see a knife. So this will do. One big old just over 2/3 knife full. Two big ones then. And then you cover it with some more oats. Just so you can still see the Americano. And then you a bing bong. New York latte caramel. Grab one of these. Caramel flavored bar. And then yeah. How's you open this thing? Classic. Yeah, the taste of caramel. Bring a whole one of them in. And the kettle's already boiled. Pour in the water. Oh, yes. Perfect. And just stir that shit. So if you want to wake up in the morning, yeah, drink this. I'm sure it'll do something. We'll have a we gotta spill it. Right, let's put my little coaster down. Let's try this. Oh my god, too spillages. Let's go. Well, that is something. So that's Josh's porridge oat latte, caramel, whatever you want to call it. But the Americano with that hits. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, follow, all that. Join me for the next coffee making session or who knows what. Let's go. Bow. Here is the coffee in all its glory. Just give it a little stir. Ooh.